Hey everyone, Dr. Daniel Klauer here. I just wanted to tell you about an upcoming course that the AACP is running on injections and SPG blocks and different modalities to enhance your skills in the TMJ and sleep world. So we got a great lineup of speakers. We're going to go over anatomy with Dr. Wolf, Dr. Mark Canteri, osteopathic physician and author of Prolotherapy book, will be here to talk about prolotherapy, injections, and PRP. And then we'll also go over some PRF protocols and practice drawing blood and the protocols for administering PRF in the joint and in other structures. Dr. Wade Cooper, the neurologist from University of Michigan, will be here talking about migraines, headaches, different nerve blocks, and the SPG block. And so we just have an incredible lineup of speakers, and we're really excited for it. We're going to host it here at my office in South Bend, Indiana. So we have a kind of a teaching facility, and we'll have patient rooms to work on, and we'll be able to stream that to the seminar room with our camera system and everything. So just a great learning environment for everybody. So it's October 28th, 29th, and due to the hands-on nature of the course, seating is limited. So it'll just be on a first come, first served basis, and signups are already rolling in. And a perk and a gift from one of the past AACP presidents and a friend of the industry that you all probably know, Dr. Stephen Olmos. What he's agreed to do is give us access to his injection manual, and we're going to make some edits and updates to it to add some of the things from Dr. Cooper and Dr. Canteri. So every attendee will get a manual as well, going through the indications of these different injections, trigger points, prolotherapy, etc. So that kind of leave the course with a lot of solid information that you can put into practice right away after the course. So a lot of good stuff coming up. October 28th, 29th. You can go to the AACP's website to sign up, and hope to see many of you there. And thank you everybody for your help.